Good morning, students. Welcome to the E-class of English. In your previous video, you have learnt about present perfect tense. Today, we will study about present perfect continuous tense. Uses of present perfect continuous tense. It is used to express an action which began sometime in the past and is still continuing. For example, it has been raining since 6 a.m. They have been playing for 2 hours. How long have you been watching television? It is also used to express an action which is already finished but whose effect or result still persists. Persists means continues. For example, he is shivering because he has been bathing for an hour. The boys have been running around the town all day and are now resting. It is also important to notice use of for and since in the present perfect continuous tense. For indicates duration of time, whereas since indicates a point of time in the past when the action had begun. We may say or write since last week, since last month, but we must add duration of time if we use for. For example, for a week, for a month. The rule for present perfect continuous tense. Subject plus has or have plus been plus first form of the verb plus ing. Always keep this in mind, children. Use has with he, she, it and singular nouns. Singular means one. And always use have with I, we, you, they and plural nouns. Plural means more than one. For example, I have been playing. Here the subject is I and the first form of the verb is play. So you just have to add have plus been over here in the sentence and the sentence will become present perfect continuous tense according to rule subject plus have or has plus been plus first form plus ing. So you have to use have with I. As I told you earlier, with I you have to use have. I have been playing. Play is the first form of the verb. You just have to add ing over here. Now the second sentence or example here is we have been playing. As you now know that play is the first form of the verb. So you have just added over here ing and it will become playing. So we have been playing. Have is used with we. Okay. Third sentence, Ravi has been playing. Here Ravi is a singular noun. Therefore, has is used with Ravi. Ravi has been playing according to the rule of present perfect continuous tense. The last sentence is boys have been playing. Here the boys is plural. Therefore, with plural nouns, I told you that you have to use have. So, therefore, boys have been playing. The negative is formed by placing not after have or has. So keep this in mind, children. For making a sentence negative, you just have to put not after have or has. So the rule for a negative sentence is subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus first form of the verb plus ing. For example, I have not been playing. So here not is placed just after have in order to make the sentence negative. Similarly, we have not been playing. Just put not after have. In the third sentence, Ravi has not been playing. So, according to rule, you just have to put not after has. Okay. Last sentence, boys have not been playing. And here also you have to use not just after have to make it a negative sentence. Interrogative is formed by placing have or has before the subject. Rule: have or has plus subject plus been plus first form of the verb plus ing plus a question mark. For example, have I been playing question mark. Here, have is placed just before the subject I in order to make it an interrogative sentence. Similarly, has Ravi been playing question mark. Have boys been playing? Here also, have is placed just before subject boys in order to make it an interrogative sentence. Likewise, have we been playing question mark. Read your page number 246 of BBC and do practice the exercise of present perfect continuous tense. Happy learning. Good day, children.